This is my take on a classic Osaka-style okonomiyaki. Fluffy, flavorful, and made for the home cooks. With a few simple tricks and hacks, it's gonna feel like it came straight from an Osaka alleyway. You can actually make it pretty easily at home, and I'm gonna show you how. The name literally means grill what you like. Okonomi means what you like, and yaki means grilled. It's endlessly adaptable. There's a few regional styles, but the most iconic one is this Osaka style, where all the ingredients are mixed into a batter before cooking. When people hear okonomiyaki, this is gonna be the most common one people refer to. Okonomiyaki in Osaka is part of a comfort food culture called konamono, which literally means flour-based things. This includes takoyaki, udon, ikayaki, all things that have to do with flour. Osaka is known for its down-to-earth food, and konamono is at the center of it, just like you. All right, enough talking, let's make it. Let's do some knife work, chopping up cabbage, green onion, and kizami shoga, which is pickled ginger. Put your chopped up veggies in a bowl. Into that, combine all your dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, hondashi, and salt. Once the veggies are coated with that dry mix, go ahead and add all the wet stuff, which is gonna be the water, egg, and grated mountain yams. We're gonna fold all of it together, and I like to let it rest for 30 minutes. This helps the gluten to rest a little bit and the cabbage to wilt. Heat a non-stick pan to medium heat. Place a ring mold, add a little oil, and put that batter inside. After about a minute or two, I like to add a little water and put a lid on. Let that steam, no peeking. Let that go for about 3 minutes and take the lid off. Remove your ring mold, lay that pork belly on top, and flip. Once it's nice and golden brown, we're gonna pour okonomiyaki sauce, aonori, and kewpie. This okonomiyaki hits every note without needing any special equipment. Itadakimasu. Check out my Substack for the written recipe. やっぱお好み焼きはうまいわ。Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. では、ごちそうさまでした。Until next time.